Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Spark Plug. So in this video tutorial we are going to make this 3D geometry which on a particular view which seems to be impossible, but it's also called impossible triangle. But as if I rotate the camera, you guys can see it's a normal 3D sweep around that particular path. So if you just look at that from a particular angle, it seems to be an impossible geometry. So this object is completely 3D printable, so you guys can 3D print it through your 3D printer. So let's make it. Will only take few minutes, so let's get started. Switch over to the front plane and create a sketch. On the front plane, draw two lines, one horizontal and one vertical. The length of the vertical line will be of 120 mm, and the length of the horizontal line from the origin only, right side, go to the right side, it will be 135 mm, I guess. Yeah, 135 mm, and you can just stop the sketch. Now what we have to do is click on the sketch, the create a sketch, and click on the bottom sketch. Now from the end point of the second line that you have drawn, from the end point, why the end point is not tracing? Yeah, from the end point, draw a line, a horizontal line of length 150 mm, and just press OK, and you can just stop the sketch. Now you can see we have a sketch in 3-dimensional, one on the front plane and one on the bottom plane. So what we have to do next is go to create and go to pipe. Select, it will ask you about the section. Just choose the section as square, and it will ask you about the path. So for the path, select all three lines. Let me just select it from here. And give section size as 30 mm. Why it's not taking it? I think there's something wrong. Let me just select it again. Okay, let's try something different, because I think there's still something wrong with the Fusion 360. I tried this method earlier and it worked, but it's not working this time. So let's go to construct, and for construct click on plane along path. So just create a plane along this path at the starting. Just drag it over to the starting point and press OK. Now from here, just click on this and click create a sketch. So at this point we have to draw a square of 30 mm length. So just click on sketch, go to rectangle, and click on center point rectangle, and from this origin point draw a square of 30, and for the other dimension click tab to switch over the another dimension and press 30 and press OK, and just stop the sketch. Now we have to simply make a sweep. So just go to the create and go to sweep. It will ask you about the profile. Select the profile of the square we have made this time, and the path will be the line. All the three lines will be the path. So yeah, now it worked. This time this worked. I think there was something wrong with that command, and press OK. That was the shortcut one. You guys can make that use the pipe. It only takes few seconds. I drawed this one from that method only. As you can see that there is timeline. This is a pipe command which is used. I don't know what's wrong with the Fusion 360. Now if I just switch over to the isometric view, you guys can see that it's not. Let me just go to visual style. Let me just shade the visible edge. Now you guys can see that it's not looking pretty much. So what we have to do is just click on this face and click on create a sketch. So from this point, draw a line at 45 degree from the vertical plane, joining this. For that, you can just click on tab button to switch over between degrees and the length of the line. So now you can see that it's asking me the length. If I just click on the tab, it will ask me to type the dimension or type the degree. So we have to write it 45 degrees and just press enter. So we can see that there's a line at 45 degree joining this point to this vertical line. What next we have to do is click on extrude, select this face, and just extrude cut through all the back surface and just press OK. Now if I just switch over to the isometric view, you guys can see that it's like similar. To make a better view, you can just hide these visible edges. Go to visual style and click on shaded. I think that something is wrong with this. Is always shaded. Let me just, yeah. So to see, you guys can render this also. So let's go to appearance and add some appearance so that it may look even more interesting. So actually my system is a little bit slow. As you can see, it's not responding. Yeah, go to appearance. I would like to have it paint, glossy. Switch over to the face. Let this be black. I think black would work. Yeah. Now this will be red, and let's make this yellow. Now you guys can see that it's looking from this point, it's a 3D object. If I just switch over to the camera, you can see that it's a 3D object. It's a completely different object. So now you guys can change the visual style to the shaded only for better appearance. So hope you guys will enjoy the video. Please comment any queries and suggestions on my upcoming videos, and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.